Vitiligo Miracle will teach you exactly how to treat your condition by providing you with tons of tricks, tips, secrets along with detailed and step-by-step instructions. This proven 5-step, multidimensional Vitiligo Miracle System that has helped thousands of men and women to reverse vitiligo skin discoloration sometimes within days and eliminate all types of vitiligo completely within 45 to 60 days. The method in this program helped many people to cure their disease permanently. This is very beneficial in helping to decide the best course of treatment that should be adopted so as to ensure that the condition is effectively and naturally treated. How does Vitiligo Miracle works? Vitiligo Miracle Treatment System is solve the problem of vitiligo issue. This treatment method is also considered very distinctive because it delivers what it is claimed. This cure is created with distinctive techniques, some lifestyle and diet changes and procedures that can minimize the unwanted white patches on your skin. The diet system championed in this natural system is comprised of mostly fruit and vegetables, especially vitamin C sources. Vitiligo Miracle was designed to tackle the root cause of the condition, thus helping to heal the skin naturally and holistically. The diet system championed in this natural system is comprised of mostly fruit and vegetables. What will you find inside of this Vitiligo Miracle? Vitiligo Miracle teach you how to permanently stop your vitiligo, restore your natural skin color and achieve the lasting vitiligo freedom you deserve. From this program you can discover how to eliminate your vitiligo symptoms in hours using 3 simple and cheap home ingredients. Proven 5 steps vitiligo cure system that can cure any type of vitiligo permanently in 8 to 10 weeks. From this program you can discover how to eliminate your vitiligo symptoms in hours using 3 simple and cheap home ingredients. Discover the importance of simple changes in daily habits that can drastically decrease your vitiligo symptoms, sometimes in a matter of days. Conclusion: Vitiligo Miracle is effective treatment for that helps you cure your vitiligo permanently. This article is a full natural vitiligo treatment made by honestly to see how Vitiligo Miracle Treatment System works for your problem. Vitiligo Miracle System has revealed various important facts about this program. This system includes 60 days money-back guarantee, so totally risk-free product. And one more thing. You have an amazing benefit to use this 100% money-back guarantee for the first 60 days of your purchase. If you aren't satisfied or not benefited by the product, then you can claim your 100% refund immediately. With a 100% money-back guarantee policy, the ebook are definitely worth a try.